Let's show you guys how I use this charcoal ring from Weber. All right, a 26 Weber kettle. Here we go. So we have some charcoal that's still lit, and I'm not gonna need any more than this, but this is what's up. So I only need this heat for about an hour and a half, so this is already probably too much fuel, but this is the idea. You could probably run this setup 250, 275 for about 4 to 6 hours. With the charcoal ring, this is the deflector that came with mine. And that's just gonna diffuse the heat around the smoker and the smoke. So that's the setup. Now with this setup, the vent placement doesn't really matter because the fire is in the center. So we're just gonna let this come up to temp, and we want to see about 285 to 300 on the lid. So right there, that's where we're at, and I'm just gonna shut the bottom vents down about a halfway.